All right, so this is just We the People News. One more time at it, y'all. All right, so never look straight forward. Always look around to be able to protect yourself by any means necessary. All right, this man right here, Randy Kelton, here in Texas, victorious of filing criminal complaints on judges, on officers, on lawyers, all that. He's not one of the average monkeys. Okay? And matter of fact, this gentleman right here is actually in the process of suing appeal judges under gang activity due to, for the past 50 years, they have not been following state law criminal procedures. Now, we watched Britt talked about the driver's license and putting it in criminal deal because in Texas, it's a criminal matter. So, but they kind of work together. So this guy and Brett and Eddie Craig and all them on what is it? Something radio. Sorry about that since I can't remember it. Okay, this was a last minute decision because I seen this. It's like, all right, talking too much, y'all. This short video anyway. But we just watched a video not a little bit ago about an affidavit under penalty of perjury sworn or affirmed to probable cause of a warrant. Right? Now, in the writings in that other video, it didn't really particularly say that, but he did go said, I just want to swear to for a warrant, which affidavit under penalty of perjury and see about issuing a warrant. Okay, this is what this guy does all the time. All the time. All right. And he got me more into reading criminal codes a while back, but I did not know how to put the pieces together as well as he did. So, anyway, so the process, the reason why he's in this deal right here is because this what's brought on the lawsuit against appellate judges because the lady was injured and she's going to be actually bringing in her name, and I don't know the name of this, okay? But he's going to be kind of the sidebar of the lawsuit as well, allegedly. But let's check him out so you can get a basic idea of him. You heard his videos a few videos back, maybe. Some of you guys may not have. Check out Randy Kelton suing judges way back, a few videos back, okay? And especially if you're in Texas, write the codes down once you listen to it, and then listen to them again and do a side mark. And the only thing we're going to do to be out winning and get our rights back is putting these people in their place. Box them in with their own codes, people.
A critic of the Williamson County justice system tries to have the district attorney put in jail with what for him must have been disappointing results. We'll tell you what happened.
Now, KXAN Austin News at 10.
Good evening, everyone. A crusader against alleged police corruption took his campaign to Georgetown today.
And he wound up staying longer than he had planned. Randy Kelton was arrested at the Williamson County Justice Center late this afternoon after an altercation with Georgetown police. Only on KXAN Austin News, our Jim Swift followed the story throughout the day.
Randy Kelton is a radio talk show host who regularly files complaints against peace officers, prosecutors, even judges around the state. In this case, he was planning to file a complaint against a Williamson County Sheriff's deputy who allegedly arrested a driving while intoxicated suspect in Travis County out of his jurisdiction and then took her to jail in Williamson County. You're not an attorney as well.
No attorney in his right mind to do what I do. And when a judge asks me if I'm an attorney, oh, Judge, you wish I was an attorney. No attorney will do to you what I'm about to do.
Kelton brought along some witnesses, among them Michael Bednarik, who ran for president in 2004 as the Libertarian Party nominee. So, Kelton, Bednarik, and the rest of them went to the district attorney's office to file the complaint. After a brief meeting with an investigator, they were asked to get out of the district attorney's office.
They don't want you in the office. So I just need you to stay out here. If you want to stay out here, that's no problem. Okay? All right, thanks, sir. Thanks, sir.
But instead of waiting out there, Kelton and Bednarik went looking for a district judge to have the district attorney arrested for failing to accept the complaint. There was a brief meeting with police behind closed doors, after which Kelton emerged in handcuffs. No one would say exactly what happened inside the room, but the preliminary charge was assault on a police officer.
I don't feel very secure in our court systems. I don't trust the government a lot, and I don't want to present any information that might eventually be used inappropriately or incorrectly.
Up to this point, anything Randy Kelton knew about the workings of the criminal justice system in Williamson County was based on reports he'd received, kind of a bird's eye view. Perhaps he didn't intend it, but now he's going to get the opportunity to experience that system for himself, up close and personal. In Georgetown, Jim Swift, KXAN, Austin News.
All right. So, again, just because you got locked up and going to jail, when people stand up for their rights, what does criminals do? They got to kind of show you who is the boss, right? We see many videos of this. Their arrogance gets in the way, right? Again, we've seen it from cops, judges, attorneys, all of them. So it is a battle. But he's only the one man. Can you imagine every auditor in Texas filing complaints, go to the magistrate against the officers, grand juries with prosecutors? Can you imagine everybody's listening to this to do that? Can you imagine anybody, if one man is sticking his neck out for our freedom, don't we owe it to ourselves to back him up when we all know that there's something wrong with the picture in this world is going on now today? There's 98% conviction rate because they keep people in jail here in Texas, okay? And if you want to fight this in court, they keep you out of the paperwork, and every month they'll come in there and ask, okay, are you ready to make a deal? Are you ready to make a deal? Okay? Now, if you don't believe me, ask some of your relatives, allegedly, that when they try to fight something, their attorneys will tell them make a deal, especially court appointed attorneys. They get paid $300. They don't want to spend years at this, and they don't want to put a whole lot of effort in there. The problem is everybody wants to get out of jail, and everybody's going to make a deal to get out. And it's harder to sue them when you made the plea bargain and you enter a contract with them. All right. So this will be the People News. Till next time. Bye, y'all.